Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is the first part of the CapCut video editing software that how should you use it or do editing. So the first part of the tutorial is that how you should add your video to CapCut. So you need to click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, you should select your video. If you don't know where, if you know your video is on albums and you cannot find over here in all albums, so click about on the albums and select your album where your video is and select. So guys, then when clicking on the video, then you need to click on add. So guys, the video is being added to the CapCut. Now you should go back so the video is saved to your projects. So guys, like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.